Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you locate Scanner on your Android phone. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to locate Scanner on your Android phone. So in this video, I'll show you about two different ways to locate Scanner on your Android phone. First thing for you can swipe down right there. If you are using Redmi, swipe down right there, and then if you take a look at all the surface icon right here, you notice that the scanner is not longer here. You can simply click on here now and then scroll down right here. You see your scanner right here, just like what you see. Um, so you'll definitely see your scanner right here. So take a look at it, QR code scanner. So you can easily select on it, or you can easily drag it to the top. And for you to do that, simply click on it and then hold down, then drag it to the where you'll be able to find it. You can drag it to the top right here, then for easy access to your scanner. Alternatively, in most cases, when you go to the menu of your phone, you can easily find this scanner right here. So if I scroll down right here from the menu right here, you can see scanner right here. Now, how can you use this particular scanner to check on a product or what have you that has to do with QR code scanner? What you want to do after you have located your scanner, click on the scan icon, and this is going to pop up. Click on agree. Once you click on agree, while using the app, then you have to position whatever you want to scan. So let's, for instance, I want to scan this particular QR code right here. So position it properly. It's going to read the QR code. So just like so. Now you have the result. So once you have the results, tap on the URL. So once you have the results, simply scroll down right here. You can either copy the URL or open in browser. Click on open in a browser, then this will give you, click on open in a browser. Once you click on open in a browser, it's going to load up and open the particular URL in the browser. So let's find out the result. So just like so, we have the result right here. This to tell you that the product is original product. So you can take a look at the product name right here. Everything still remains the same thing. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to use scanner on your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.